Okay, what we're going to discuss now is a little bit about system requirements and whether or not your computers can deal with this kind of technology. This is the Mixtrack 3 Pro controller by Newmark. It's by far the most accessible, easy to use and yet professional piece of DJ equipment available at current times. Now when we say current times, this is September 2016. Times move very fast in the DJ industry at the moment. I've only just seen today on Facebook that there is a version of this called the Platinum coming out, which may supersede this. While I'm on the topic, the operating system on your computer, the version of the DJ software you have, all of these are liable to change on a monthly basis. This is for security issues as well as to offer you new updates and upgrades. So please be aware, some of the things we've said today may not work the way you have been told on the version you are running. With that in mind, I'm going to come here to my Macintosh computer. As you can see the arrow, I'm hovering over the Apple. And if I go to About This Mac, this tells me I am running OS X El Capitan version 10.11.3. So that's my OS in Mac. If you're using a PC, you need to find your PC properties where it will tell you the version of Windows you're running. The versions of Serato DJ software, which is what you get with the Newmark Mixtrack Pro and what we've been doing all our other videos on, are always trying to keep up to date with the updates on your operating software. But they're not always perfect. You can't always rely on it, and we do constantly remind people, never update to a new operating system, whether you're Mac or Windows, until Serato or your DJ software manufacturer have told you that their software is ready for the operating system update. Okay, system requirements are another part of this small problem you have with DJ software. System requirements are based around the processor and RAM capabilities your machine has got. As you can see, my Mac here is a 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core i5 with 8 gigabytes of memory. That's the RAM. In a Windows PC, you'll again be looking for the properties of my computer. I believe it used to be control panel in the older Windows versions. These days I've heard if you right click on my computer and go to properties, you'll be able to find out what your processor and RAM is. It's important to know that. It's essentially how capable your computer is. And if you go to seratodj.com, or if you're using Tractor DJ software or Virtual DJ software, somewhere on their website, it will say the minimum requirements your computer needs to run that software. Before you make any purchases at all, we really insist you go to their website and check out what's required, and go to your computer and check out what you've got to be sure that you're not just wasting all your time by trying to follow this path to get on with digital DJing. It's essential, and you will only be shooting yourselves in the foot if you don't do it. There's going to be issues possibly with your IT departments in schools, because obviously some of them will say we don't want USB sticks at all going into the computers. It may be that the IT departments will take over the installation of the software, the running of the iTunes, and all those other factors, and make it really easy for you. Or they may say, no one's coming near our lovely Mac suite, please leave it alone. Check all that out, please, before you start going down this path.